Mosdos Opal, a complete literature program for your third grader. Mosdos Opal includes 2 teacher's manuals, 2 readers, and a double-sided student activity book. So starting here in the teacher's manual, you will see that they give you a snapshot of what each page in the textbook will look like, along with some teacher helps. Each lesson starts with what they call a lesson in literature. And basically, this is using original short selections to give your student the initial practice with the targeted literary component or skill. Next, they will move into their main reading portion. And as you can see, the pages are colorful, the text is easy to read. This is a very engaging format for reading literature for your children. You've got word banks here where you're working on some vocabulary. And Mosdos recommends that you review the vocabulary words using your teacher's manual before your child goes into their long reading. So they give you a list of vocabulary words. And they also recommend that you have your child complete vocabulary activity 1 to go along with those, learning those vocabulary words and then doing the activity page in their workbook before they go on to their long reading. As your child does their long reading, the teacher's manual will help you giving you more information into the story or into the setting. They give you the literal questions you can be asking your children and analytical questions to be asking them. And each page comes with this teacher support alongside. In the workbook, your child will be, again, completing their workbook pages along with the story. So let's look at this one here. A little bit more vocabulary practice, some creative writing to expand on the story, some language arts activities, and then some graphic organization. And that is it for Boomtown pages. At the end of each literary work, they have a poem, a complimentary poem that goes along with. These tie-in poems have been provided in the textbook simply to be enjoyed. They often share a thematic or topical link with the prose selection that they follow, but there is no student curriculum associated with these poems. And that in a nutshell is Mosdos Opal.